Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the watch face down on a soft cloth and aligning tools within reach. Use a spring bar tool to compress the exposed bar toward the strap center. This relieves tension and lets the bar slip out. You want steady pressure. Too much lateral force bends the bar. Once one side clears, pivot the strap away and lift gently. Repeat on the other lug. This prevents scratching and keeps tiny parts in the tray so you don't lose them. You next compare the new rubber strap to the watch lugs to confirm the lug width in millimeters and proper orientation. Inspect the spring bars. If they're bent or corroded, replace them. Thread the bar into the strap's end link and lightly coat the bar or strap channel with a tiny amount of silicone grease so the bar slides and seats cleanly. Once aligned, compress the spring bar and position the strap between the lugs. Aiming the bar ends toward you now seat the strap by compressing the spring bar and fitting one end into the lug hole, then guiding the opposite end until it snaps in. Make sure you hear or feel a click. That indicates the bar seated properly. Once both sides are in, tug gently and flex the strap to confirm secure attachment. If the bar won't seat, don't force it. Remove and inspect for burrs, try a fresh spring bar, or realign the strap. These fixes usually resolve fit issues without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.